This is David. This is Monday. I do not think he has a permit. Please stop this. This is a very active crack right here, as you can see, and he is working directly on an active crack that passes through my property. Thank you. Please stop him. He's shaking my house. A painting fell off the wall this morning because of what he's doing. Can you please stop him from grading on community easement? That's community easement right there. That's Roseapple Road. So please, you have access to Roseapple Road. That is a community easement property, not his private property. Please stop him. That is right there, passing over his permitted dump area that you supposedly inspected. Please, help.